Okay, on this job we've got a 15-and-a-half-year-old 2008 Honda Civic, and this car has 118,799 miles on it. And this car has been maintained about as well as a car can be maintained with the flood changes. So let's take a close look at that PCV valve. Let's take a look at where it goes. Very easy job. This ground clamp is right here on this 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt head size. I just put it back in so I wouldn't lose it. I'll get it up here out of the way. And once you remove that clamp, this is not an install video, there's dozens of them on YouTube. You'll remove that, and then you have this metal clip right here, and this green cap will go on it and stick up on the high side like this, and it will just snap right down on it. When you get it off, all you do is take a screwdriver or even your fingernail and depress that tab and lift it straight up. Piece of cake to get it off. Then the only thing you have to do is get the hose off. Let's get a flashlight down there. Let's see if we could get that to show up. Okay, the shiny ring there, the washer or the gasket, it actually stayed on there and I can't get it off with my finger, so I'm just going to leave it set there and just reuse it again. I looked at it with a mirror. It's a nice thick aluminum gasket. I scratched up the top of it a little bit with a screwdriver. Might be hard to see, but sealing is not going to be a problem. This is not a high pressure fitting. It's just one that you don't want to leak. We'll go in and take a look at the old valve and compare it to the new one. Okay, here's the old valve that came off the car. First, let's take a look at the spring tension. It has not been cleaned or wiped or anything, just how it's come off of it. Spring tension on these are very weak. Just the weight of this screwdriver will actually depress it about 1/16 of an inch. Let's try to shake it, see if you can hear the shake. Not much. You can suck in on it, but you cannot blow out on it. So we got a brand new one. It is OEM, to my surprise, from Amazon. Now on the Amazon page it actually said the country of origin was China, but that's not the case. I expected it to be made in China. I thought Honda might be having some stuff made in China. I'm sure they do. Let's go ahead and remove the sticker. And we have us a genuine, made in Japan, Honda official part number. And the PCV valve is identical, but there's not a gasket. The gasket did stay on the block and we're going to leave it there. Shake the new one, about the same. Spring tension is about the same. The weight of this screwdriver will depress it about 1/16 of an inch. I'm pretty sure that's not going to show up, or we don't do any damage to it. So we're going to put it back on just exactly like that. A big thing, guys, on tightening these up, some of these will twist off and break right in here. There's a few YouTube videos, and if you do a Google on the threads and on forums, you'll find where guys have twisted these threads off right here, especially if they make the mistake and put a double gasket on it. They're twisting it off even at 33 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm just going to go back to like I would tighten an old drain plug. That's about what mine felt like when I took it off with an extra long 3/8 ratchet and a 17mm 6-point deep well socket with a 6-inch extension. Well, after comparing both the used, the 15-plus-year-old PCV valve with 118,000 miles on it and a brand new OEM, they feel and they act and behave just about identical. The spring tension seems to be identical. The shaking and movement seems to be identical. And the car is not idling quite like it was when it was brand new, so you got to throw in some time there. Maybe it might have some vacuum leaks to check down. It does not die, it just idles kind of rough. Getting right down to it, on that original PCV valve, it's really a testament to the products that Honda's still rolling out on their OEM equipment, like this valve. You can't do any better than this. I'm just going to tighten it up like I would an oil drain plug, because this is steel. I'll put a link in the description. You might take your chances on some $10 and $12 PCV valves. Just be careful putting them in. I'm sure they'll work just fine. I don't know for how long they'll work. I doubt if they'll work 15 years, but you never know. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there, and have a good one.